This is an emergency notice from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. There is a wildfire in your area. The following areas and neighborhoods are being issued a Level 3 Go Now evacuation notice: Roberts Ranch and Dunning Roads. Level 3 means leave immediately. Do not take time to gather things. Go now. There is immediate danger and you should evacuate immediately. Leave immediately and as quickly as possible. If you choose to ignore this notice, public safety personnel may not be available to assist you further. Do not delay leaving to gather any belongings or make efforts to protect your home. Entry to evacuated areas will be denied until conditions are safe. Do not call 911 unless you need to report an emergency.